These are our GYEON leather sets. They come in two versions, a mild one and a strong one. These sets are ideal to clean, maintain and protect any modern automotive leather upholstery. Let me guide you to the set. We have a foam pump, a horsehair brush with a really nice shape, a microfiber towel to clean the residue off, a microfiber applicator to put on the leather coat application. Before we start cleaning the leather, you have to make sure that your leather is free of any sand or debris, so make sure it's pretty well vacuumed. Use the foam pump to get some foam on your brush and agitate the leather in a circular motion to loosen up the dirt. After that, give it a wipe down with your microfiber towel delivered in the package. After that, you can start with application. Use little product on this microfiber applicator and apply it in small sections. When you're cleaning really dirty leather, make sure you use multiple towels, and I would advise to have a damp microfiber towel as the second one and wipe with the third one dry to make sure there is no residue left on your leather upholstery. Good luck.